Hello everyone. How are you all? Fine? Going good? Okay. So student, today we are going to start classification of accounts. Okay. That sounds really good. Correct. In accounts, it is a very important topic, classification of accounts. We'll look ahead. Before starting this, I just wanted to tell what is an account. Account, it is a record of financial information. Okay. Account, whatever, I'll give you one example about the accounts that our mom, correct, she is doing each and everything in the kitchen. Fine. She is every month she is writing what she has bring from the market, groceries, product, or household product, furniture, whatever is thing, expenses, each and everything she has given to her sister, or she has given to her daughter, her son, his son. Okay, so these all things she is writing in the diary. What she is maintaining, she is maintaining that, and in the at the end of the month, how many expenses, losses, incomes, what I have received, what I have given, correct, then how it in the last she is calculating each and everything. And in one, after 1 year, what the tax calculation is there. So she has the record of each and everything. In January month, what I have done, February month, what I have done, what all expenses of the household, of the incomes, what I have received, each and everything she is calculating in the diary. So this is what, this is only a one type of accounts. Okay, so that at the end of the financial year, it will be easier for her to calculate each and everything and find the differences, so that she can reduce the cost of expenses. That is nothing but what? Account. Okay, same way company. In company also same way these all things are going on. So we'll look ahead. Now what is an accounting? If you look over here, an accounting is a record of financial information. Accounting in simple way means how your business record, organizes, and understand its financial information. That is only as I have given you the simple example of our home. Same way, accounting is also the thing. Accounting is also a thing to record what of the financial information about the business. Okay, how the business is going every day. In the business, expenses are there, losses are there, incomes and there, gains are there. These all things what the company is doing, company is recording, then organizing, planning, understanding each and everything. So this is what, this is nothing but your accounting. Okay, as we are recording each and everything, our mama is recording each and everything in her diary, same way the business person is doing these all things. That is nothing but your accounting. Getting everyone? We'll look right now the golden rule of accounting. Okay, the golden rules of accounting says there are three types of golden rule. That is the personal account, real account, and nominal account. These three accounts are there: personal, real, and nominal. Personal, what says? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Now if, and the real account says debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Nominal account says debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. In the personal account, we look ahead. What is the meaning of personal account is, this account is related to person. In the personal account is directly related to the person. Now, the person should be natural also and artificial also. Okay, if I'll give right now example, Geeta and Sita trading account. Correct. Then the charitable trust account. Then the ABC bank account. These all things are what? These all things came in the personal account. Okay. So, for example, in case of salary, okay, when it is payable to employee, then how much amount is payable? Okay, but it is what? It is a salary account of that person. Correct. We are receiving the salary from the college, then that is what? That is a salary account of that specific person. Okay. Same way, what is there in the personal account says? Personal account says debit the receiver and credit the giver. If I'll take right now example for you understanding that goods sold to Parth. I take an example, goods sold to Parth. So Parth, the name of a person is there. So Parth is what? Parth is a personal account. He is what? A natural person. So Parth came in the personal account. So how we will do the entry of this? What I said, goods sold to Parth. So Parth account debit. Goods sold to Parth. What Parth is doing right now? Parth is a receiver. He is receiving the goods. Yes or no? So Parth came in the Parth account debit. Credit the giver. What he is giving? Some person is giving the goods to Parth. Goods sold to Parth. So Parth is receiving and sales are going. Okay, sales is a giver. So Parth account debit to sales account. So simple. Whatever we are receiving, debit the receiver. Whatever we are giving, credit the giver. Who is giving? The sales to sales account. Parth account debit to sales account. Okay. Same way we'll look the real account. Now what says the real account? This type of accounts represent assets and properties owned by the business. Now, real account says that this type of account represent assets and properties owned by the business. Now, real account, what is the thing? The golden rule? Real account is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Okay, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. That real account says. In the real account, two things is there, the tangible and intangible account. Now what is the meaning of tangible account? Tangible real account says that the assets and properties which it can be seen, feel or touched, that is the tangible real account. Now machinery, if I'll give the example, machinery, we look correct, so machinery is the tangible account, tangible real account. Motor car is the real tangible account. Same way, stock of goods, we are looking at stock of goods. If you will look in the picture right now, what is there? That stock of goods. So stock of goods also came in the tangible account. Getting everyone? Same way, now what is the intangible account? Intangible account says that your it cannot be touched. Okay, it cannot be touched, it cannot be felt, but it can be measured in terms of money. Okay, it can be measured in terms of money. Like in the previous, I think so, some commerce chapter, I have taken goodwill. So goodwill account, patents accounts, are we looking goodwill? No, we are not looking goodwill. So goodwill is, we can feel goodwill? No. We can touch goodwill? No. We can see goodwill? Not at all. Correct. So whatever the things we can't see, we can't touch, that came into the intangible real account. Okay. Example is there, goodwill, patent, trademark, copyright. Okay. These all things came in the intangible account. Like if I'll give you one example, received commission rupees 4500. Okay. So what journal entries you are going to pass? Received commission. So what you are receiving, what is coming to you? Rupees 4500. Receive commission rupees 4500. What is coming to your account? Cash is coming. So cash account debit to commission account. Commission is what? Your income. Income is what? Income is your nominal account. Getting? Debit what comes in. What is coming to you? Cash is coming. Credit what goes out. What is going? Commission is going. Commission is what? Nothing but your income. Income is what? Income is your nominal account. Getting? Next one is, now what is a nominal account? Nominal account is related with losses, expenses, incomes and gains. It means the nominal account says debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. This is the nominal account. I'll take one example. Purchase goods on credit from Ajay. What I said? Purchase goods on credit from Ajay, rupees 10,000. I have purchased goods on credit from Ajay of rupees 10,000. Then what will be the entry? Debit all expenses and losses. What I am doing? Expenses. What is the expenses over here? Purchased goods. So purchase is your expenses. Purchase account debit to Ajay account. ठीक है? Credit all incomes and gains. So purchase account debit. What I am receiving right now? I am receiving the purchase. I am receiving the good. Purchase goods on credit from Ajay, rupees 10,000. So I am receiving something. I'm receiving the goods. I have purchased the goods that I'm receiving. So debit, purchase account debit to Ajay account. It's so simple. Whatever is journal entries, you just need to learn these all golden rules of accounts. In the personal, what it says? Personal account says debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account says what comes, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account says all debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. If three golden rules you have learned the formula properly, you know, you don't need to be fair in your exam. Okay, there is not at all any need to fear at that time. These three things are very important in accounts, especially in journal entries. You will go in anywhere, in any company, the three things they are going to ask to you. It is important, so important. Okay, so every time these three things you learn. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't just okay, then it is the journal entries. In the second part, I'll bring for you the journal entries. Okay, debit and credit, whatever the journal entries are there, this I'll bring. Fine. Okay, till then, take care everyone. Don't miss to press the bell icon. Okay, bye bye. Take care everyone.